Hi, my name is JD Munner, and I'm going to educate you all on how Google Classroom can be beneficial, especially during this time period. We are living in this crazy time period where schools across the United States have been forced to switch to remote access. This has forced teachers to look for new ways to efficiently teach their students via online lectures. Recently, one application that has skyrocketed in downloads is Google Classroom. It now has over 50 million downloads on Android and is the number one education app on Android and iOS. So, what is Google Classroom? Google Classroom is a way for teachers to create assignments and lesson plans online and then share them with their students. Students can easily find and turn in their homework, quizzes, assignments, tests, etc. through Google Classroom as well. The amazing part of all of this is that Google Classroom is free on all platforms. Google Classroom is accessible on all devices. For example, you can access it on your Mac computers, PC computers, and even mobile devices. So Google Classroom has many benefits to it. The first benefit is accessibility. Like I've mentioned on the previous slide, it can be accessed on any computer or mobile device. The second benefit is exposure. Most college courses actually require their students to hand in their work online, so this is a great learning experience for students in high school, middle school, and even elementary school. The next benefit is that it is paperless. Through Google Classroom, we can save a lot of paper, and we can also help the world work towards a more green environment. It also eliminates the problem of losing your assignments or even your dog, quote unquote, eating your homework. The last benefit is communication. Rather rather than the communication between teachers and students only being able to happen during classroom time, teachers can give feedback 24/7 as well as students being able to ask any questions that they may have whenever it's necessary. Lastly, here's my bibliography. I hope that you've all enjoyed my presentation. Please feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comments section. I would love to hear your feedback.